What you see here is a JCPenney Alaska hugger. 6 blades. White finish. As you can see, an integrated 5 light kit. As you can see, it is anyway. Thing was made by Alaska, sold at JCPenney. It has a cast aluminum vented motor, which is relatively typical for Alaskas. Now we're going to see what it does. Also, another interesting tidbit about these is that the pole chain sequence is low, medium, high, akin to Casablanca and things like that. Alaska sitting right there. So we're going to start on low. Has a little bit of bearing noise, but it's not too bad. And like other Alaskas, or at least the huggers, the low and medium speeds are actually very quiet. They are capacitor based. Now we're going to medium. The motor in this is at least 172 millimeter, possibly 188. As you can see, this is medium. Seems a bit fast for a medium now, doesn't it? Now we're going to high. This thing hauls ass on high. Surprisingly powerful. Now we're going to reverse it. Start it from high. Has a little bit of wobble to it. Not too bad though. Okay. Alright. Thought it was high, medium, low for a second. Now it's off. Now you get to enjoy the spin down time. These 6-blade Alaska huggers don't show up very often. Saw it at Habitat. Talked them down to $10. At that point I pounced on it. Considering it's a store brand JCPenney labeled fan, it's actually, well, not labeled, but sold at. It's actually very powerful. More powerful than you might expect. It's a bit of a sleeper fan. And there you have it.